Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you all are doing well. I'm really sorry I was not available for many days and you didn't get any update from me. But now I'm here and we will start learning after Adobe Illustrator from now on. Okay, so in this lecture, so it's the first lecture. In this first lecture, we will try to understand the basics of Illustrator and how we are going to work, what kind of tools we are going to use. If you know Adobe Photoshop, it's easy for you to work with Illustrator because it's going to be very easy. It's very easy to understand Illustrator. I love Illustrator and my English is little bit slow and my English is little bit weak, so try to understand by yourself if I say anything wrong. But as I know, the designing has no language boundaries. Anyone can understand what I draw or what we do. So let's start. It's like same like Photoshop, and we have the same keys like control and for new, or we will understand while we work. Like let me open the file. As we see, this area, this area is the previous I worked, and that area. This is the main area we are going to work. This is the area we have to work on. Like if I'm going to make a business card or anything, I have this area. For now, we will only understand this is the width, this is the height. We can work in inches, points, millimeter, as the client provides you the information of the sizes. This is the bleed. We will understand bleed in the next lecture. So I'm going to zero it. And here we have CMYK profile. In the previous lectures on Photoshop or graphic designing, we understand we have two kind of media. One is RGB and two is CMYK. CMYK is used for print product, and we are going to use the CMYK right now. If you want to use it for digital like social media, if you are going to draw a social media post or anything, you can simply change to RGB. And here we have 300 ppi pixel per inch and which are with resolution. Here's everything is good default mode. We don't have to understand more settings. We just create image, and here we have our artboard. And we will only understand simple tools right now, and we will start performing it tomorrow and next lecture. Like we have move tool here, we have a drag selection tool, and we have magic wand tool as we have in Photoshop. We have lasso tool as we have in Photoshop as well. So these tools, like as you can see, these first like 8 or 10 tools in the first two are the same as in Photoshop. So it means if you work with the Photoshop in previous, you can understand the Illustrator as well. And here we have our the in which we are going to work. We are going to work in this profile. See, I will work on this essential classes. Here you will get all these things, this whole layout in which I like and which I prefer the most. So in this tutorial, I'm going to trace an image or trace an object, and we have some different kind of tracing objects, and let's try to trace it and see how it goes. So here I have two images, and I also have an image copied. See, this is the image, and see, as you can see, it's an image, right? And let me add these two images. We have this image is AVIF format, and this one is PNG. We can use and all kind of images here, like see this image. Let me separate that image. So this is the artboard where we are going to see everything, and here we have this image. As you can see, I click on the move tool and I can move the images, but I cannot change the color. See, I cannot change the color or anything. But like Photoshop, it work on raster. And now we are working on vector. We have to create vector images, like we can redraw that image and that as well. So like we have pen tool in the previous image. I select the pen tool image and just control Z. I will share all the shortcut keys later on, but I'm just showing you what we are going to do. I'm just clicking here, just giving you an example. Okay, it's not going to be perfect, but just giving you the idea. Here we can see the opacity. See, I'm just redrawing it. So I have redraw that, and also on this area like that, and with that area I'm going to make like that. Okay, so I make some things. I select the curvature pen tool. I just click here, and this will activate this area, and I'm just arranging everything according to my needs. See, I can do whatever I want, like that, like that. See, it's not going to be perfect because I'm not. See, if you want to remove, just delete it. It's going to be removed. And if you want something straight, double click it. Okay. So as you can see, I have created this area, and same goes with this one. Control Z, this area, this area. Let me delete that one. See, this area. Delete that one. So we have this one, two, okay. Let me handle this. Okay. So as you can see, I have created this. What I'm going to do, I'm select and select, shift select. Okay. I select it like that too, or we can just take this area and whatever we see, and after that we can see these two here, right? What I'm going to do is it's going to cut. See, it's cut, and same goes here. Cut, cut. Now I can just simply hold that eyedropper tool, click here, and I have this one. See, if I want to change the color, I just have to select, double click here, change the color. Voila, we have changed everything. So I just give you an example. Right now we are not learning anything. I'm just showing you how easy it is. And let me give you some more example. Like if I want to simply, if I don't want to spend so much time here tracing, what I can do, I can simply just click here, click on slide out if it's in a color. If I want some changes, I can do that here. And after that, expand. See, we have vector here. You can change color to anyone. See, no, it's not an image, it's a vector, right? So that easy is going to be our illustrator. In future lecture we are going to learn everything. This is just an example. Oh sorry, we have left this. So what we can do with that is just going to trace image. We can use it black or white or just without. And what it's going to do, it's going to remove the white area. But still, see, let me give you two examples of that. I'm going to control Z the area. This is in today's lecture. This is only an example how easy it is. We just getting started. See, I have two of these. I'm just going to create a black and white logo. This is only because we didn't save or embedded the image. We will do that later. But right now I'm just showing you how easy it's going to be. And trace image going to be split out, line art drawing, we have so many things. So every option has different scenarios and different results. See, in white we have white and black, we can expand that. As we can see here now, we can ungroup. If I ungroup, this is going to be the move. What we can do is we can cut the area like we have here. I'm just giving you an example of different things. Okay, so we have this area. I'm just going to hold that area like that, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so I can just hold that area and remove that area and just go to create a white. I have white. Now I can select the black area and create any color I want. Or what you can also do is if you have different colors, and let me tell you how it's going. If I want to select the green color, everywhere it's going to be all green going to be selected. So select the black one wherever it is black, you can select, you can click and change color. Stripe. Same goes with that. Expand that. We have no. This is going to be very easy, very convenient. We are going to love that. So stay tuned for next coming lectures and hope we'll make a blast.